In this short video, I just want to show you how I made this really cool ad creative using only Canva. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the image that you want to create the ad for. For instance, I have this one of a snowman in front of a house, and I want to just get this snowman and place him on an entirely different background. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to remove background, remove BG. I'll leave all the links in the description. And I'm going to upload that image for them to remove the background. And it's completely free. You can also do this on Canva, but it's a paid option. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload this image here. And they're going to go ahead and remove the background for me. Now I just got to download that. Send it to the same folder or wherever you want to save it to. And I'm going to come over to Canva and I'm just going to upload that image with no background. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go over to a site called Pixabay, and I'm going to want to get these cool backgrounds here. Now I already went ahead and looked through them, and I think this one would be a good fit for what we're doing right here. So I'm going to copy this image. You can also download them, but it's just as easy to copy it. Come into Canva and paste it. Right click, set image as background. Then we can go ahead and start making our creative here. I'm going to add the snowman. Probably make them a bit bigger. And to find that on sale graphic I had there, you can just go over to Elements, type in on sale, or if you have a sale or something else that you want to type in, there's likely a graphic for it here. Here's the one I grabbed. Just add that. Go ahead and add our title. You can size this however you like it to make it fit. First thing I like to do is highlight all the text. Go to Effects. And just see what one fits best. There's the one I used. And I changed this color here, down here. See, when I selected this one, I came down, there was a color palette. And I changed that to red. And that's starting to look exactly like the one I created here. As simple as that. So thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.